first ingredient for snow ice cream is snow. Here, let me get some. That's about enough. Alright, so today we're going to make some snow ice cream. First ingredient, snow. So what you want to do is put about half of your snow into your mixer, and then you take a can, exactly, not about, and pour it on top of your snow.
Of sweetened condensed milk.
Of sweetened condensed milk. And after you pour all this in, you might want to use your mini spatula to get all of that out. So you might want to be careful, because although this is so great, it can still be cut. Alright, so you get about all of that in there. Okay. There you go. This side. Then, what I personally like to do is just mix it up before you put more of the snow in, and I can put more snow in after that. Okay, so I was just mixing this a little bit, so I put a lot more snow in, and so now I'm just gonna finish putting all the snow in. So at this point, you would probably have all of your snow in, and then you would mix it up. And before you mix it up, you'd Eagle Chop your peaches, which I'm gonna do in a little bit. Yes. Sorry about this. Give me a second. Okay, got it. Alright, so I'm gonna get the rest of my snow in there. Put that to the side. Take this over here. So you have your nice Eagle Chop, perfect for slicing peaches. And then you just slice them. Okay, so you slice them about a lot. So you want them to be enough so it's not like super.
That's perfect.
So your ice cream's not chunky because you kind of want it to be creamy. So now, I'm just gonna close this. Show you the big reveal of the ice cream that looks really good and tastes really good. In my opinion, and also just straight up fact, it's a lot better without peaches.
In my opinion, it's better with the peaches. And you can do a single version, a single size in your Eagle Chop with peaches, and we'll add that recipe too.
One great thing about the spatula, you can do this. You don't have to worry about anything getting on the sides.